Welcome, everybody. Our first agenda item. Anybody have any announcements?
Yeah. International Mud Days coming up, June 29th.
My kids are gonna go nuts on Mud Day.
It'll be hard to top the mud Taj Mahal we did last year.
Every day is International Mud Day in our home.
Exactly.
So true.
Exactly
Yep,
the same way.
absolutely.
Totally.
Yeah, same. I mean, mud factories in the backyard. Everyone, you know.
Mud,
mean,
I know, the mud. I know, it's great. It's just the laundry, though. You know?
It's never ending.
Come on. There's handprints all over the hallway, and then the bathroom, it's a complete disaster.
Yeah.
I hate mud. I mean, I don't even think my kid likes mud. You know? I know. We're all supposed to love mud. I know.
No matter how we or our kids feel about mud, we can still reap the benefits of mud play. It helps to start by remembering the why. Mud play activates multiple senses which boosts young brains. Play with messy mud also helps lay a foundation for creative free thinking later on. And contact with mud can even help boost our kids' immune systems. And then of course, there's the joy. But it is really messy, so let's do mud play on our terms. If mud works for you anytime, anywhere, that's great, but it's also unlikely. So try giving kids designated days and times for mud play, and make sure that the location for mud play works for you. You could take it outside, go in the bathtub, or set up a mud kitchen. It's okay for there to be a time and a place for messy play, and kids can still be wild but within parameters and get all the goodness. But what if your kid is just not into mud? Every child and every adult has a unique sensory system, and for some of us, mud takes us way out of our comfort zone. But don't worry, there are ways we can support kids and even some great alternatives we can give. To start, you can rub hands together to activate a sense of touch and prepare kids for play. You can also model, and seeing you play helps lower the barrier for kids to enter. You can use tools like sticks or leaves to make mud more manageable. And you can even offer different materials like shaving cream or water or forest putty. These give kids the similar sensory benefits but with much more control and less mess. The key is finding your way to do child-led messy play. There's no one right way to do it, so find the way that works for you and your kids.
Hi, Mom.